To stop an irritating eye or body twitch, consider what could also be causing it. Visit your doctor to rule out any serious medical conditions and see if any of your medications could also be responsible. Attempt to get more sleep and crop on caffeine, which might be responsible for your twitching. Moisturize and rest your eyes the maximum amount as possible to combat eye twitches. Ask your doctor to gauge you for restless leg syndrome. Regular twitching in your legs could also be thanks to restless leg syndrome (RLS), a condition that causes the unavoidable urge to maneuver your lower limbs. Ask your doctor to gauge your leg twitching, despite the very fact that no concrete test exists to spot RLS. Counting on the severity of the symptoms, the doctor may prescribe you an anti-seizure medication or iron supplements to scale back the symptoms. 2. Mild RLS could also be eased with simple lifestyle changes, like getting more sleep. Be sure to offer your doctor accurate details about the severity and duration of your leg twitch. Take stock of any medications you're taking. There are a variety of medicines which will cause twitching while you're taking them. Antidepressants, cold and allergy medications, and anti-nausea treatments can all contribute to eye and body twitches. Note of all the medications you're taking, both prescription and over-the-counter, and ask your doctor which one could be the culprit. Address any psychological state issues you'll be facing. Stress, anxiety, and other psychological issues can cause twitches or make them worse. If you're experiencing eye or body twitches, consider evaluating your psychological state by visiting an interview therapist, psychiatrist, or counselor. Consult online resources provided by your local government's health services department, or contact local university health centers to seek out about services offered by their psychology or psychiatry departments. If you've ever had an eyelid twitch for an extended period of your time, you recognize how annoying it's. An eyelid twitch, or tic, is once you have a spasm or slight movement of your upper or lower eyelid. It comes on suddenly, and may last for a moment, hours, days, or maybe longer. While it's going to feel as if everyone can see the twitch, most twitches are slight enough that they can't be seen by someone simply watching your face. Most common eyelid twitches are harmless, and don't affect your vision. However, there are some neurological problems which will make eyelid muscles contract, like blepharospasm and hemifacial spasm. These less common conditions have a tendency to cause the eyelids to shut more fully and for extended periods of your time, limiting or completely blocking vision. Other muscles within the face could also be affected also. For the bulk folks, the common eyelid twitch may be a brief and minor annoyance. But when it lasts longer or occurs more frequently than usual, there are some steps you'll fancy make it get away. Step back from stress. Being under stress can cause a twitch. If you can't eliminate something causing you stress, find stress-reducing activities to assist obviate the twitch. Moisturize the eyes. In some cases, having irritated or dry eyes can cause eyelid spasms. Talk together with your ophthalmologist if you've got ongoing eyelid twitching and gritty, uncomfortable eyes. Causes. Minor twitches are usually caused by stress. 1. Caffeine, fatigue, allergies, dry eye, poor nutrition, vision problems, uncorrected refractive errors. More severe eye twitches may last up to many weeks. These sorts of twitches are usually related to blepharospasm. Blepharospasm is caused by an impulse, but doctors aren't sure why it happens. Point 2. Severe blepharospasm should be evaluated by a neuro-ophthalmologist. Symptoms. A minor eye twitch is an uncontrollable eyelid spasm which will come and choose about 2 to 3 days, then disappear on its own. A severe eye twitch lasts for much longer and typically doesn't get away. The eyelid may contract so forcefully that the whole eye completely opens and closes, over and once again. A severe eye twitch becomes extremely annoying, interfering with lifestyle. Can Botox stop my eye twitching? In rare cases, some eye twitching just won't get away, despite identifying possible causes and applying the suggested treatments. Persistent eyelids twitches are often treated with Botox injections to prevent the smooth muscle contractions within the eyelid that cause the twitching. Treatment. Determine the severity of the twitch. Is it minor or severe? To treat minor eye twitches, relax. Attempt to eliminate stress in your lifestyle. Limit caffeine. Point 1. Rest. Get many sleep and take frequent breaks from the PC. Apply warm compresses to the twitching eye and gently massage the eyelid together with your fingers. Try over-the-counter oral or topical eye drop antihistamines to slow the eyelid muscle contractions. Treatment for severe eye twitching may include Botox injections to paralyze the attention muscles, medications to relax the muscles, or surgery to get rid of the contributing eye muscles.
I hope you are enjoyed watching this video about health issues. Comments, likes and share. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. If you have any problem related to health, then you will contact health issue page.